Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I love making teacup art, so I decided to make a teacup terrarium. Keep watching so that you can make one too. To start off, you need a nice big teacup. Start filling your teacup with gravel to help the drainage of the plant. I'm going to start filling the cup with soil. I'm using indoor plant compost here. Now to start preparing the plant that you've chosen to work with. I've chosen this beautiful succulent. Succulents are very low maintenance and easy to care for. I'm choosing to repot my plant, so I'm going to start gently removing the soil to reveal the roots. Now that the roots are showing and I've taken off as much soil as I can, I'm going to start repotting it in the teacup. Now that the main work is done, it's time to start the fun part, decorating. I grabbed some things that I currently have, but I didn't use all of this. I used these pearls, and this potpourri, and this fairy, and this decor for plants and some glitter. And I also used some stones and lace. I used a glue gun to hold everything together, and moss as a foundation base layer. I like to make my piece look more natural by covering the saucer with some moss as a base layer before I start decorating. I'm going to start decorating by using another type of moss. I'm going to start sticking that down with glue gun. Don't worry, the glue doesn't kill the moss. To keep your moss alive and your plant, I suggest misting it every 3 days. Now I'm happy with the base layer, I'm going to start building up on that with some natural goodies I found in the park. I'm going to start gluing them down with glue gun in the places I think look best. Sometimes you have to experiment and move things around a little. Add shape and structure to your piece and make it look more interesting by gluing your objects in different positions so that not everything is lying flat. I'm going to carry on using natural things that I found in the park and just glue those down into place. I'm going to add a little bit of colour to the piece by sticking down this moss I found in the park. I'm going to use some potpourri next. They look great, smell great and add colour to the piece. I'm going to decorate the plant a little by covering up the soil with some lovely pebbles. I'm going to try and cover as much soil as possible by squeezing in as many pebbles as I can. I'm going to decorate the teacup itself just to make it look a little interesting because the cup was quite dark and plain. And I've chosen some elasticated lace to do this. Now I'm just going to take my miniature fairy Tinkerbell and add her to the handle of the cup. So this is how it looks now. I think I'm almost done. I'm going to add one last finishing touch by using this pearl chain. Try and arrange your beads as artistically as you can. Also try and make sure that your decorative pieces don't clash and that the colours are all sort of neutral and go with each other. So this is a finished piece. This part is just an additional option that you don't have to choose. I just love this part and I look forward to it the most. I just think it adds a nice finishing touch. I use this plant decor just to make the colours of the succulent pop more. Just to show you how it looks now. I think you'll agree that the plant decor does make a big difference. This is literally the last step, and again, this is just an optional choice that you can make, but I like to just finish the piece off by sprinkling some beautiful white glitter. It just helps the piece sort of glisten. And this is a finished piece. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I hope that you like and subscribe and comment please, and that you make something amazing. Thank you, bye!